The San Diego Junk guys. We're here with Mike. Just finished up the job. How do we do, Mike?
How you doing? Yeah, did a great job.
Woo!
I'm happy with the way you did it. I
Awesome.
can't believe one guy did all this work.
That's right, one guy. So if you need anything, haul the way.
You got the tires too that go tomorrow?
We'll get those tomorrow.
Okay.
So if you need anything, haul the way in San Diego.
What are you saying about paint? What were you
Paint.
saying?
Okay, so we just finished it up. We got all his trash picked up. Super happy customer. Tomorrow we're gonna come back and check it out. We're gonna pick up this drum set. We got all the pipes. We're gonna pick up a freaking
How about that pallet? Can you get that?
Ricky Ricardo drum set.
Take that.
And we're gonna take a bunch of other crap for him, make him happy.
Yeah.
He's gonna be a super happy man. He's
Yeah,
gonna
I'm happy now.
be back to Montana.
No, Utah.
Utah, same difference. Utah, he'll be happy. So anyway, we got the truck.
Yeah.
Second, pretty much 2.5 truckloads of trash for him. And we're off. We'll be back tomorrow. So if you need anything picked up in the North County, San Diego, Vista, Oceanside, Encinitas, give us a holler at SanDiegoJunkGuys.com.